Unboxing of a mystery box. It is. How in the world does it all fit in here? So this is the Inse cordless stick vacuum, portable design for versatile cleaning. Pretty small box, eh? So here we go. Let's see what I got.
That's a super small box. For vacuum.
The simpler, the better. What do I got? Okay. There's some mounting screws, cleaning brush. There's the wand, which is expandable. There's the soft brush. So soft and hardwood floor brush. And here's the rest of it. Here's the main power here. Handle. The charger and the storage on the wall. That's what the screws are for. Here's the power head. One of the brushes. And these are just curves. This is just one brush. Okay. And there's the HEPA filter. And warranty card. And registration. 1 year worry-free warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, just go scan that with your phone, register. Instruction manual. Alright, just how to put it together. Alright, so let's start putting it together. Start the bags. Wall. This is the main motor. This is the battery. Handle. Yes. Some kind of clips together. Might have to look at the menu. So that should go on first. Okay. Look at the menu, see if it makes sense. We don't want to break anything. or the brush. Okay, screws. There's one. Surprised how small this was. Let's look at this. That's short, I would say. This one's handle. Okay, so I'm going to light up the filter and get the filter in. So I'm going to have to look at the manual. See what I got to do. Plastic, oh, that's extra. Oh, there's one inside the brush, and that's another one. Okay, so consulted the manual about this here. So when this is off, this unscrews and wasn't latched all the way into. That's how you take the filter out and just twist it in, lock in, and also the other filter is in here, and they're both washable. That one is stainless steel. This HEPA filter. So then this twists on top, locks in, and then latch the bottom and push it on. And the extra brush. So this brush came with it. That's for carpet. It's stiff brush. This soft brush for hardwood floors. So the way you take it out is there's a little latch here. You undo that, put it in, goes down, and that's it, locks in. So again, take it out, move this over, lift it, put the other one in, and done. Okay, so right now I'm gonna find a place to mount it. But there is some power in there, but I don't want to actually try cleaning it without having a full charge. And it's very quiet. This is high power. Okay, we'll give it another review after we check it out and after I mount it. Actually, I'll do a separate video on mounting this. So see you in a bit. Okay, so I put it on charge. The manual does not tell you that you gotta charge it and doesn't explain the lights. So there is, when you're charging, there is 3 lights here. You see them on the side here. When it's charged. So as it's charging, that has good speeds. As it's charging, it either blinks the first, second, or third light, depending on what it's 30, 60, or 100%. Okay. Also, what it didn't show is how you switch the brush. So there's 2 brushes. Right now the soft one is on there, which is for hardwood floors. The one that's for carpets was in there. And it didn't show how you take it off. Well, it's very easy. So you grab this here that has a couple arrows, just push it out, take it out, take the other one, put it in, and push this over. Push it in, push it over. Done. Simple as that. So, the manual does not mention anything about the brushes, how you change them, so there you have it, that's how you change it. And doesn't show anything about charging. The charging should be done before you use it. Okay, takes up to 4 hours, depending on the battery state. It was about 50% when I got it. And that's about it. Next, I'm gonna show you how I mount that. You can mount it on a wall, leave it on the floor, wherever you have room. Most likely, it's easiest just mount it on the wall because it doesn't take much room. Just mount it and anywhere you have a plug nearby. So I'm gonna show that. So anyway, use the low speed or normal, and then push it again, and you get the max speed. And so then you push around and maneuver, and it's very light. And then you push it again, stop, and the brush stops at the same time. Then also, that's shown in the manual, but I just want to show you. Just to use this manually, you can use the brush itself, okay? Or you can use the wand plus the brush, clips right in, okay? Same thing to make it a little longer if you need. Also the charging of this, you can pop this out, I guess you have to take it out, but the charge plug can go directly into here, or you can even have the handle off by itself, stick it in there. Or you could have that off and just have it plugged directly in, or whatever. There's a lot of options. So that does show in the manual, so just read the manual and you're all set. All right, so next one is going to be mounting of the charger plate. Okay, so we're back to mount bracket for charging, holding. So once you found where it goes, you use the screws that can. There's 5 of them for 1 extra. Just take this. Okay, these plastic anchors, if you don't have to use them, if it's a hard drywall, most are soft, so you drill for the size and put a plastic anchor. But in this case, this gets old drywall, which is hard, so I'm not going to use those. Otherwise, you would drill and just mount it in. start drilling first. Okay, and once you've done all four, just plug it in. And just put it on. And you see it's charging. And as far as these tools, you can just keep them on there, and the other one as well. Alright, that's it. So we'll report after I actually use it. See what a good job it did. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. If you're first time here, don't forget to subscribe.